Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really quick roasted smashed potato. This is a great dish to make alongside any other meat dish like a roasted chicken, roasted lamb, beef, any type of meat. It's a great side dish to have and it's really quick to make. So what I'm going to do onto my potatoes that I've already washed, these are little mini purple potatoes. If you want, you can use mini Yukon Gold potatoes, regular white potatoes, it really doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on there with a little bit of olive oil just to coat the outside. And then I'm going to sprinkle on a fair amount of salt and black pepper. And what you want to do is just toss these up. And I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to pop these potatoes in for about 30 to 45 minutes or just until the potatoes are nice and tender. At that point we're going to come back and we're going to go through the smashing process. My potatoes were cooking in the oven for exactly 30 minutes and that's how long it took for them to get nice and fork tender. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to start smashing them. The best tool that I find to go ahead and smash your potatoes with is your kitchen mallet. So all I do is I take the smooth end and I take one of my potatoes and you just want to start knocking it a little bit. And when you knock it, it's going to start to crack. And you don't want to crack it too much or else it's going to fall apart. But that's how much you want to crack it. Alright guys, I finished smashing all of the potatoes. Now what you want to do is you want to take a little bit more olive oil and you want to lightly go all over them with that olive oil. This is going to ensure that they get nice and crispy in the oven. Now I'm not going to put any more salt and pepper on the top of these potatoes because I already put enough when I had first coated them. But if you were sparing with the salt in the beginning, then you can go ahead and add a little touch more so this way the potatoes have a good flavor. What I'm going to do now is pop these into my oven and it's still at 375 degrees and I'm going to roast them until they're nice and crispy on the outside. That's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. My potatoes are now done. They were cooking for another 20 minutes in the oven. After about 10 minutes of cooking, I went ahead and I flipped them over so this way both sides could get nice and brown. I'm going to go ahead and serve them up now and show you guys what they look like.